Hello, please we are going to learn about how to open any program with the command prompt. So if you are using Windows, you come here and you type cmd. When the command prompt pops up, you click on the command prompt, you wait for it to open a few seconds. Okay, as the command prompt opens, you type cd. Okay, first let's try to open the Chrome here in C. Okay, it's not opening. Maybe you should type Google Chrome. Still the same. So what's going to happen is that if you want to open the same application, you have to first of all type cd, which means change directory. Then you go back to the program, right click, open file location. When you open file location, let's go to the top here. We copy the file location. So we are back to the command prompt. Let's leave a space and paste the directory that we copied and press the enter key. Now the directory is changed to the directory of Chrome. So what's going to happen is that let's go back to this folder. In the folder, I realize that the name of the program is Chrome. So we'll be back to the command prompt and we are typing Chrome here. As you can see, Chrome is opened. That's how you open any program, with the command prompt. But somebody may ask, does it mean that every day I have to be, every time I want to open an application, I have to go through all these steps? So I'm going to clear the screen, and then what you are going to do is you'll be back here and you type env, then the edit the system environment variables will pop up. You click to open, then you go to environment variables, you click on environment variables, then you go to the path, you open it. So we are in the system of the machine. So what happened is that you click on new, and then the path or the directory that we copied earlier on, you're going to paste it here, and then click on OK. 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 So right here, I can close the command prompt and open it again. Okay, this command prompt that I've opened. So if I want to open the Chrome with the command prompt this time around, I don't have to change the directory or anything because I automated the directory. So I'll just type Chrome here, press the enter key, and I'm good to go. Thank you very much for watching.